Good morning, friends. It's been a while. I'm happy to see you guys again. So, friends, we're watering this morning, trying to get everything to survive this intense heat. We've also been dealing with a brush fire nearby in the Everglades. So, it's causing like a lot of ash, a lot of dryness. I mean, our cars are completely covered in it. It's everywhere. I mean, you kind of rub the top of the car and it's not dirt, it's ash that's on the top of it. Um, It's been a chaotic summer, but we're getting through it. The heat has just been unbearable. We have been struggling to keep the sweet potatoes alive and most of anything alive. All of my pepper trees died out. My elderberry is struggling intensely. It's barely making it. We're dealing with 115 to 120 degrees heat index every single day. It's been intense. But let me get these trees watered and then we'll go into the backyard and I'll keep. So guys, we still have our rain catchment going on. We actually doubled it up and got a second IBC tote. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the video where we created our own like water catchment using like essentially really large industrial garbage cans. It worked out really well for however long we had it. I think we had it for like 2 years, but we got a second IBC that's just as big as the one that I have now. We set that up with the gutters for our garage slash storage. It's working great. Um, we just need the rain. We've been moderating our watering because we've had so little rain that we don't want to overdo it. Here and there, it'll sprinkle a little bit, and it's just enough to catch like a little bit of our watering. Like it'll wet things and not enough. So we've been trying to moderate as much as possible so we're not using that city water because that's a whole other problem. Yeah, they are raising the rates in our county for what people are paying for water now. So the less we use that, the better it is. I'm very excited because we're coming into that time of year where we can actually start planting trees and doing things. I would equate our summers in South Florida to what it's like to be in the winter up north where it snows. Because you can't keep many things alive in this heat. It's just really intense. Very few trees do well in this level of heat. And you would think, oh, get a greenhouse. We can't really get a greenhouse in this area. It's not allowed. That's a whole other situation. The herbs are dying like every day. This basil's alive by miracle. And the mint as well. They're not doing well at all though. One of the warm weather crops that do really well in our area is sweet potato. So I fill the boxes up with sweet potato every summer. Try to get as much of that as we can. And then in here, I started some ginger. I love ginger. I'm always buying it. So if I can grow a lot of it, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm definitely still using the Carpathen water system. Just have to attach the hose to the little end piece there and just turn it on. Ooh. Okay guys, the sun's starting to creep up, so gotta move a little bit faster. I'm gonna take advantage of this trellis that I have here. I'm gonna get the seeds started. I'm gonna be using it for pole beans. These are Jack's Magic Beans, pole beans. And then I am going to also be using something new to me. It is Black Cow Organic Potting Mix. I didn't know that they had a potting mix, so I was very excited when I saw this at the store. Okay, rip that open. Then we're just gonna fill these pots. Okay. So I'm not filling these pots. One bag was enough because I'm just topping them from soil erosion. It's good to go. So we're opening our bag, and these are our seeds. I am going to put 3 into each pot just for good luck. I like to add 3 and then thin them out. And I'm just popping them right in the center. Cover that up. There. We'll get the water now. What a nice day to get back into the garden. It is the Black Cow Organic Potting Mix. So we're gonna see how this does. This is new to me. I've never used it before. Maybe it's great. I'm hoping it'll be great. We'll see. Wish me luck. Friends, thank you so much for being a part of my day and for being a part of my community. I appreciate it. I really do. I loved all of your support. I have been MIA for some months now, but things are starting to get back to a more normal rate. And now it's crunch down garden time. We have so much going on in our heads of what we want to do with this garden this year. I definitely want to be producing a lot more food this year going around. Like I've learned so much over the years that now it's time to really like just like put my foot in it. I'm going to start planning the garden and where I want everything and how I want it so that I can work in watering. The Carpathian system is awesome. I love it. So glad that I made that purchase. I will link it down below so that you guys can check it out if you're interested at all in something like that. And they sell like individual components and stuff like that. So it's great to make it work for you in your garden and your space. I I went ahead after I ordered the first round and ordered more sprinklers and stuff so that I can, just make it better, make it more like work better for me. So, again, thank you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for being part of this community. I want to thank you for accepting me into this community as well. I have a lot coming up, so we'll see what happens moving forward, you guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.